Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making a DIY grout cleaner, and I've seen this all over YouTube. I wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. All you need is baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, and a toothbrush. This is actually a new toothbrush, but if you have like an old one, go ahead and use that. But a toothbrush, a small bowl, and also you'll need a rag to wipe everything clean once done. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I make videos, cooking videos, lifestyle hack videos. Basically, I make videos to make life easier for you. So if you like that kind of content, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and you'll see more things like this. Also hit that notification bell to go ahead and receive updates on my new videos first. All right, so let's go ahead and get this popping. The recipe calls for 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part baking soda. I think if you have like a paste like this, I think it's good to go. You can even make it thicker if you like, but I think this is fine for what I'm about to show you. You can definitely make as much as you want, but just know that you have to use it within a couple hours. Usually, I guess it'd be best to use it right then and there. Don't make too much of it because you can't store this overnight. It actually loses its potency. Hydrogen peroxide actually loses its potency once it's outside of this bottle. It starts to lose the potency. So that is actually why it's in one of these brown bottles as opposed to like alcohol and witch hazel, which are in clear bottles. So fun fact. But yeah, here's our paste, and we'll go ahead and get this started on the grout. Ew, I'm embarrassed, but I'm gonna show you guys. Look how grimy that is, and that's from a lot of just mopping. We'll sweep and mop, but we have not deep cleaned these grouts probably since we moved in here, and that's been a long time. So I'm embarrassed, but so basically what the recipe calls for, it says to go ahead and continuously mix your paste because it will get kind of sedentary at the bottom, but basically you'll put it on and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Start scrubbing. You need some elbow grease on this, so it is a little time consuming, but the hydrogen peroxide and the baking soda will go ahead and brighten as well as clean. So let me go ahead and get that on. I don't have my tripod, so I'm just kind of winging it right now, just holding my camera. Okay, so you can kind of see, honestly, you can already see a difference. I've already scrubbed just a little bit just to go ahead and get it in there. And I'm just gonna let this sit for about 2 minutes or so. I don't want the baking soda to kind of just get hard. So maybe about 2 minutes or less, but I'm gonna let it sit, scrub it again, and then I'll go ahead and wipe it and we can see our final result. Okay, so I'm taking my rag. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it. Look at the difference. And what I love is that it's literally so cheap. Look at the difference here. It's just baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Literally. Look at that. I already feels cleaner. Wow. Looks so much better. All right, now I got to do the rest of my floor, and then I'll go ahead and mop and see what that's looking like. Okay, so I was extremely thirsty to do another room after I did my kitchen, so I hit our main level half bathroom. Although this method may be a little time consuming, it's cheaper than paying someone to come in with a grout cleaner, and just better for our environment without using harsh chemicals that you can buy at the store. So it's the time plus effort equals a finished product that I can be proud of for me. Anyways, y'all please share this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus follow me on all social media platforms at Cass Taylor, KASTAYLOR. Thank you to everyone who has shown support and love. Love y'all. Until next time.